Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Augmented unipolar limb leads. So augmented unipolar limb leads. Now let's look at the lead types. What are the lead types? So the first lead type, we are looking at the AVR. AVR is a type of lead type. So what is a positive input here? The positive input will be the right arm. So right arm, we tell it as VR. Next is we look at the negative input. The negative input means it is the mean or the left arm. So negative input means it is the mean or the left arm. It is the LA, that is the left arm. And next is, so the mean or the left arm, that is the VL and the left foot. So left foot means we are writing it as VF. So VF, here it is the left foot potential. So mean of the left arm, that is VL and VF. VL as well as the VF. Next, we move on to the AVL. So in terms of AVL, this involves the left arm. So AVL involves the left arm. Left arm is what AVL is involved. So AVL is nothing but VL. Next is, so in terms of AVL, what is the negative input? So negative input in terms of AVL will be the mean of the right arm. So this is nothing but mean. The mean of the right arm. So it involves the mean of the right arm. Mean of the right arm is nothing but VR. And then there is the left foot. The left foot, we call it the VF potential. VF potential. Next is we look at the AVF. So AVF, the positive foot is nothing, the positive node is nothing but the left foot. A left foot, we call it as, it is nothing but the VF. Next what we have is, there is negative input. So negative input in terms of AVF. So negative input means there is a mean of the right arm. There is mean of the right arm. So mean of right arm, that is nothing but VR, as well as left arm. Left arm, we have the VL potential. There is a VL potential. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.